maniacs out there, welcome back to the channel. It's so great to see you again. And guys, check it out, I got a new couch. It's so much bigger and so much more fluffy. I love my new couch. Which kind of stinks. I wish you got this a little bit earlier, because the video I shot for this Friday, this couch really would have come in handy. Oh well. And today I thought it was a good chance to dive back into the wonderful world of Frankenvoices. So for those of you guys who do not know what Frankenvoices is, it's an impression game where I draw two different characters out of my bowl of impressions here. And then I have to mix the two voices together in a Frankenstein-like manner to get a brand new character. So, let's get started. First up, we have... Blah, blah, blah. Tasmanian devil. Blah, blah, blah. And Taz will be mixed with... Who do we have here? Jigglypuff. We're starting off real good this round. So what does the Tasmanian devil and Jigglypuff sound like together? Blah, blah, blah. Sounds like a disgruntled Stitch. Next up, we have
Fredfredburger from Grim Adventures of Billy and Mandy.
Fredfredburger will be mixed with Mr. Big from Zootopia.
So what does Fredfredburger
and Mr. Big
sound like together?
So you come to me asking a favor. I'm gonna make you an offer that you can't refuse. I'm gonna give you the brown ice cream, which is chocolate. I like chocolate, yes.
Next up, we have Will Turner from Pirates of the Caribbean. And Will Turner will be mixed with... I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
Grandma Tala from Moana. I'm the village crazy lady. That's my job.
Now what does Will Turner
and Grandma Tala
sound like together? Moana, you need to follow the sea. So then that way we can make her immortal. The accent's the hardest part because that's so defining of Will and Tala, and then neither one of them are the same. Next up, we have
Bulbasaur! Bulbasaur!
This is gonna be good. Now Bulbasaur will be mixed with Boombah! And now what does
Bulbasaur
and Pumbaa sound like together?
Bulbasaur! Bulbasaur! Hakuna Matata! It means no worries!
I'm really enjoying these today. I'm really enjoying these today. Next up, we have Dracula, blah, blah, blah. And Dracula will be mixed with
Timon. Well, we had Boombah, let's have Timon.
And what does Dracula, blah, 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 and Timon sound like together?
Yes, well, you see, maybe, Wavy, what you need is Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata.
Do I go New York or do I go Transylvanian? I don't know.
Welcome to Hotel Transylvania. And I only say blah, blah, blah when I say I don't say blah, blah, blah. Usually after I say Hakuna Matata.
He sounds like Bartok with a sore throat. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget, this weekend, I'm coming over to the Ohio Zoo to perform. Go check out my video from last week to get all the details. Also, I'll be coming to Forest City Comic-Con in Canada the very following weekend. That'll be September 23rd. Perform at 11, and all the details will be on my social media, so keep an eye out for that. And I'll see you guys later this week. Bye!